I'm Shannon from Making Frugal Fun, and today I want to give you a quick but thorough walkthrough of my Frugal Meal Planner. Planning your meals in advance and eating at home is the best way to reduce your food budget each month, but it can be hard to plan and cook a brand new meal every night. That's where the Frugal Meal Planner comes in. It's broken up into 4 quarterly meal plans with 48 recipes in total, and utilizes leftovers to prevent cooking fatigue and burnout, making it more likely that you'll stick to the plan and not order takeout. The meal plan is a total of 130 pages. The first 86 pages could easily be printed front and back like I have it here. These pages include the calendar meal plan, grocery lists for the week, and the recipes. I personally don't eat gluten-free and dairy-free, but I wanted to do something to help those with these restrictions, so I have included a list of what needs to be substituted in each recipe to make them gluten-free and dairy-free, which will help you with your planning and budget. The rest of the planner includes printables you might want to print one-sided and use to add your personal family recipes and further organize your binder and kitchen. For example, there's a kitchen conversion chart, freezer and pantry organization, cash envelopes, and other fun extras. I've also included divider pages to add your own recipes or recipes that you might want to try in the future, and I put them inside sheet protectors and add these repositionable tabs, which I got off Amazon, and I'll link everything below the video that I used to set up the planner, including the printer that we use at home that works with the HP Instant Ink program, which is how we print at home very affordably for only $5 a month. As you look at the meal plan calendar for the first quarter, you can see how it works. I have you cooking on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and eating leftovers Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So if you know the kids have a busy sports or activity schedule on Tuesday night, you might want to shift the plan over a day in order to make that a leftover night. I've also included a flex day, and that's for if you end up going to a birthday party or a church dinner or a friend's house for dinner and you didn't eat your leftovers, you can move them to that day. That's just to prevent food waste. And you can also use it as your one night a week that you go out, or it could be frozen pizza night or something fun like that. Sometimes simple is better. There's also a blank calendar included, so you can rearrange it however you like. The plan is to repeat the month for 3 months, and then you head over to the second quarter. If that's too much repetition for your family, you might try going all the way through all 4 quarters and then start out at the beginning in the middle of the year. We like to rotate the meal plan for 3 months at a time because I get used to the recipes, I start to kind of memorize them, making it even easier for me to get dinner on the table fast because I'm not having to constantly refer back to the recipe. I already know that we have most of the ingredients on hand, so it makes creating the grocery list pretty fast and easy. And we can also buy in bulk at the beginning of a quarter and make sure we use everything up, which also helps us save money. Also, since we rotate the meals so often, when I'm strolling past the clearance section in the grocery store and I see meat that is way marked down and I know I'm going to be using it in the next few weeks, I can grab it at a huge discount and pop it in the freezer until we need it. I hope this helps you understand how to set up the planner if you've already purchased, or gave you a good sneak peek inside if you've been considering giving it a try. Thank you so much for supporting the Frugal Meal Planner. I'll talk to you soon.